This electrical panel has an abnormal heat pattern in it. These three conductors are all of one circuit. These are the service conductors. So the red and the black are the two hots that come in, giving us our 240 volts when measured from black to white. The neutral carries the imbalance of return, meaning that whatever current does not come back on one of the black and the reds goes back on the neutral. Because of that, these service conductors are always going to be carrying as much or more current than the neutral. And consequently, the neutral should always be the same temperature or less than the service conductors. And that's not the case. The neutral is getting up to about 100 degrees right there. And you can actually feel a little bit of heat radiating off of it. But the actual service conductors aren't really getting hot at all. They're probably close to 75, maybe 80 degrees. They're not getting really hot at all, but the neutral is. There's no reason, if it was properly connected and properly terminated, that the neutral should be getting 30 degrees hotter than the ambient temperature when the service conductors would not. This indicates something is wrong. A lot of times it's just a loose connection, in which case they can be tightened up, but notice a couple of these strands are actually not under the lug. So that means that some of the current is not going to be traveling on them. You're not supposed to cut off, modify, or have any strands that are not under the lug. They all need to be under the lug because it does reduce the ampacity. In any event, this is an abnormal heat pattern. Something's definitely wrong, needs to be corrected. Now 100 degrees, it's not that hot for an electrical panel. Things typically don't start melting until they're over 150, but if it's getting 100 degrees with basically nothing running in the home, it definitely could become a safety issue with a lot more stuff running in the home.